In the name of Allah, who is most gracious and merciful. Hello guys, how are you? I think so you all are fine. Please like and subscribe my channel Agriculture with Behraz. Go to topic today. Our topic is very important. Our topic is agriculture and its type entomology. Today I will tell you about agriculture and its type entomology. First of all, I would tell you about agriculture. Agriculture is an art, science, and business, as well of raising of crops and rearing of animal through the exploiting of nature resources. Food, feed, and fiber and shelter is also called agriculture. And then I tell you about entomology. Entomology is the study of insects. Is also called entomology. Now I tell you about agricultural entomology. Entomology is the study of insects and their relationship to humans, the environment, and other organisms. Entomologists make great contribution to such deserved field and agriculture, chemistry, biology, and human animal health, molecular sciences, criminology, and forensic. Agriculture entomology is a subdivision of entomology which is studies of pests and beneficial insects of field crops, fruits and vegetables. They also include non-insect pests such as invertebrates. For example, vertebrates, rats. Objectives. The major objective of Department of Agriculture Entomology is to teach various courses related to insect and their role in agriculture system. Also, it aimed to graduate students to maintain an inventory to measure insect, vertebrate, pest or crops and develop sustainable technologies for maintaining and production losses caused by them. As present, the division has focused its effort to develop integrated pest technologies as follows. First, I will tell you about survey, subsistence, and technological identification of major agriculture insect pests and their predators, parasitoids, and parasites in each crop commodity. Second, I will tell you about teach and develop suitable strategies for IPM technologies. And third, I will tell you about to develop technologies based on biological control method to maintain insect pest and their weeds. Now I tell you about agriculture entomology. It is about applied entomology. In fundamental entomology, insect and classified based on the structure into families and order etc. In applied entomology, insects can be classified based on their economic importance, whether which are useful for harmful. Basic entomology deals with insect morphology, anatomy, physiology, taxonomy, systematics. Applied entomology deals with the ecology and economic information and control of insects. Now I will tell you about the example of entomology. What are example of entomology? Entomology encompasses the world of insect. Example of this field of subworld include aspect in medical, veterinary, urban taxonomy, taxology, physiology, chemistry, forensic, infectious diseases, agriculture, education, and also ecology. Now I will tell you about difference between entomology and forensic entomology. Entomology is the study of insects, which are organisms that can be exoskeletons, six legs, three body segments, one pair of antennae, and one pair of compound eyes. The field of forensic entomology is broadly defined as the application of the scientific study of insect and their arthropod relative or legal matters. Now I will tell you about what is the parasite example in entomology. So well-known parasites are fleas, ticks, parasitic mites, leeches, wounds, for example roundworms, and some parasitic flies, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are example of parasitic flies. Stiplopes are parasites of wasps, flies, and birds. The female is larvae-like and spend its entire life cycle within the host. Now last I will tell you about another name of parasite. Some common synonym of parasite are leeches, sponge, and toady, which all these worm in usually features are seekers. Parasite applies one more link to human or wealth, power, and influence. It's unused less to security. So today topic is completed. So if you don't like or subscribe my video, please follow my video and like my videos. So thank for watching this video until end. Thank you so much. Take care, Allah Hafiz.